What's up, fellas? I got a phone call today from a guy, and when I answered, he goes, "Is this Bob Sherrill, the slacker?" So I'm helping Chris out today. I sent him a waste oil burner, and he needs a cowling adapter for his firebox. So I'm going to show you guys how I built this cone, because there's a lot of videos on making cones, but they don't give you the exact details. A quick video on cone layout. This is a really cool software that enables you to draw out the pattern of any cone shape that you desire. For example, if we change the angle, you can see the weird stuff that starts to happen to this shape. And I've got a piece here, and I'm cutting out a piece for a customer here. Now, all the other videos out there fail to show you how to set the bar up on one of these just flat rollers. I've got this one side here set all the way down on the roller. I got a little carried away in the beginning and had it lifted all the way up like this, thinking I needed that much. But with that much right there, generated that cone that we're looking at right there. First thing we have to do is start a fold on the piece. So we're going to use a brake to do that. So I'll put just a little initiation bend there. It's not going to do it, I'm hitting. It ain't the ugliest thing in the world I've ever seen. She's going, just not the way we need it to. Had I not overshot the first part of that, I would have had the exact piece I'm looking for here. I wonder if going the opposite way would roll it out any. I think it worked. You gotta induce that rotation yourself. I have pretty much fixed that piece, guys, just from kind of messing around with it a bit. So there you go, fellas. You got to check out cone layout if you do any type of fabrication. And if you have to do any of those angled cones that I showed you with the angled top and bottom base, I recommend that you just make a regular cone and then use the cone layout to make a paper stencil to wrap around the actual cone that you rolled out, to trace out some plasma cutting marks for you, because it's hard to roll one of those funny shapes through the roller. So it's almost best to make a cone like this and then just put the stencil around it, plasma chop it off of there. So there you go. Thanks for the business, Chris. It was a joy to talk to you today, and I hope this cowling works out for you, brother.